Can't find the app you need in Wise? Stop searching. Here's exactly how to request any app in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through 7 simple steps: clicking your profile, connecting apps, requesting, filling in the details, and finally submitting. It's straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to request any app you need. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wise account and click on your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Think of this as your command center. Every account setting, every connection, everything starts from here, so just give that a click. Now, from your account menu, you're looking for an option that says Connect and Manage Apps. It should be right there in your account settings or your profile dropdown. This is where Wise keeps track of all the third-party tools and services that are linked to your account. It's also the gateway for adding new ones. So find that and click on it. This page might take a moment to load, depending on how many apps you already have connected. Once you're on the Apps page, scroll down a bit until you see a section called Request an App. It might be towards the bottom of the page. This is where the magic happens. Wise knows they don't have every single app under the sun, so they've built this feature specifically for users like you to tell them what's missing. So go ahead and click that button or link that says Request an App. Now we're getting into the details. First up, you need to type the name of the app you want. Be as specific as possible here. If it's a popular accounting software, type its full name. If it's a niche inventory tool, same thing. The more accurate you are, the better. So just type the app name into the first field. Next, you're going to add the app's official website URL. This is really important. Wise needs to verify that this is a real, legitimate app. So don't just type in a social media page or a review site. Go to the app's actual homepage, copy that URL, and paste it into the website field. It helps their team research the integration and speeds up the approval process. Now, pay attention to this one. You need to select a category for the app. This helps Wise route your request to the right team. Is it accounting software, project management, customer support? They've got a drop-down menu with a few standard options. Pick the one that fits best. Choosing the right category means your request gets to the right people faster, and that means a quicker path to getting your app integrated. All right, here's the final step. Double-check everything. The app name, the website URL, the category, make sure it's all correct, and then simply click the Submit button. That is it. You've officially submitted your request to the Wise team. They'll review it, and if enough people request the same app, it might just become available in the marketplace. So there you have it. From not knowing how to ask for an app to now being able to submit a request for any tool you need. I've done this process myself for several apps, and it really is that simple. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.